और वैसे भी why do you keep calling me back? Like तुझे जो चाहिए वो तो I'm sure तुझे मुझसे मिल नहीं रहा. So why do you keep coming back to me?
क्योंकि मैंने तुम्हारे बारे में बहुत सुना है।
Partly your fault too. तुम हर चीजों से इतना जल्दी बोर हो जाती हो. You were in the movie what for 30 minutes? The problem is कि you want to end things before they can even start.
पर उसके लिए चीजों का स्टार्ट होना भी जरूरी है, you know?
Maybe you're just not hot enough for me anymore.
Sees the guy who jerked off in his office room looking at parts of my torso on Snapchat.
Filter में सब कोई अच्छा लगता है.
You know what? It's so typical of you right now. It's almost sad. This bruised male ego of yours. I mean, it's a bigger turn off than, well, you know what.
Okay, listen.
No, you listen to me. I tried not to be too in your face, but jo hua wo hua. You can't blame the girl. You can't blame her boredom. You can't blame her vibe. You can't blame the AC in the room, and you can't blame the alcohol. I mean, कल को उठ के बोलोगे कि शनिवार को मेरा व्रत होता है. I don't get hard on Saturdays. It's ridiculous. I tried to be nice to you, but you didn't get hard thrice, and that's the hard fact. Fun, very much intended. It's okay, you know. होता है. I mean, it must be the alcohol, the noise outside, or maybe the smell of the pee in here, or you know, the lighting or something. Don't worry. मैं किसी को कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी.
बोल.
What's up, you shallow fucker?
Nothing much, you crazy stalker.
I can't believe you're ghosting me for a fucking hashtag.
And I can't believe you fucking discussed my dick on a fucking social network.
Touche. I mean, I think we should forget about it. Twitter has.
Well, I can't. और वैसे भी why do you keep calling me back? Like तुझे जो चाहिए वो तो I'm sure तुझे मुझसे मिल नहीं रहा. So why do you keep coming back to me?
क्योंकि मैंने तुम्हारे बारे में बहुत सुना है, तरुण प्रभु. मुंबई की ट्विटर की लड़कियों में काफी फेमस हो तुम. Even though I have evidence to the contrary.
Ha ha ha, very funny. चल मुझे बहुत काम है, मुझे जाना है अभी. Bye.
Hold on a second. Check your Snapchat right now.
Okay, एक second. What the fuck, dude? दोपहर के 12 बजे.
So, do you think I grow boobs like after 6 p.m. or something? They're always there, you know.
But मुझे नहीं देखने, तो दिखा.
Come on now. Don't be a wet towel. I want you to see them. I want you to tell me what are you gonna do with them.
Come on, yaar, Karishma. I'm in the middle of a fucking work day, man.
So go to the loo. I'm sure you don't want to miss what I'm about to say.
Where's Tarun? Could not find reply to my email. Thanks to Tarun.
मैंने जबरदस्ती उससे एक फोन कॉल अटेंड करवाया. यहीं कहीं होगा.
Bora. Listen, just help me with this.
That was a long call. Was it important? It was. Veteran instinct.
चले?
कहाँ?
Wine bar?
Remember the tasting for the food page? Your last assignment with her. You don't need to shadow or post that.
क्या?
You can give it to me tomorrow.
Yeah. It's wine tasting, not chugging.
Sorry.
Twitter check कर रहे हो?
Yeah, I'm just reading some long form article on HuffPost.
You're being ridiculous. जब हम कैब में बैठे थे तुम्हारे फोन की बैटरी 1% पे थी. The only way it is working right now if you have an electric socket in your pocket. दिखाओ मुझे.
क्या?
Socket. Why are you being so weird? So I know that a hashtag on Twitter is about you. Big deal. मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता यार. मुझे तो ये भी ढंग से नहीं पता कि hashtag का मतलब क्या होता है. मैं तुम्हें एक isolated incident के basis पे judge नहीं करने वाली. और ना ही मुझे Twitter की childish controversies में कोई interest है.
तो क्या? Celebrate करूं?
तुम मुंह फुलाकर मत बैठो please.
Should I rejoice about the fact that you know such an intimate piece of information about me? And please don't tell me कि तुम्हें वो hashtag का मतलब नहीं पता, क्योंकि अगर तुम्हें hashtag का मतलब नहीं पता होता तो तुम मुझे ये नहीं कहती कि I'm not gonna judge you and all. So, cheers.
Okay. Okay, so you are feeling insecure क्योंकि मुझे तुम्हारे बारे में ऐसा कुछ पता है जो मुझे नहीं पता होना चाहिए था, right? How would you like to know something about me that no one should know? So, when I'm being intimate with a guy,
Sorry, what was that?
come on, you heard it. So, you know, 80% of the time I cannot finish if the guy finishes before me. So, I excuse myself, go to the loo and yeah.
Now that took guts. That I can drink to. Cheers.